In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view emails marked as important in Gmail quickly and easily. This is a simple but really useful trick if you want to jump straight to the messages you saved, prioritized, or flagged for follow-up without digging through your entire inbox. Whether you're trying to find an old client email, an urgent message, or something you marked for later, this guide will help you get there in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to mail.google.com in your browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have more than one, because your important emails will only show for the account you're currently logged into. Once Gmail finishes loading, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. If you don't see the Important label right away, click More to expand the full list of folders and labels. Gmail hides some options under this menu to keep the sidebar neat, so this is a normal step. After you click More, you'll see the Important folder appear. Go ahead and click Important. This will take you to a section where Gmail gathers all of the emails that you have marked as important. Here you can review those messages, open them, reply to them, or use them as a quick way to stay organized. This is especially helpful if you use Gmail's importance markers to separate priority emails from regular messages. And that's it. Once you know where to look, viewing emails marked as important in Gmail is very straightforward. Just sign in, open More in the left-hand menu, and click Important to see everything you flagged. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.